everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of knots in 2024, exploring the beauty and significance of this timeless art form. Knots have always held a special place in the hearts of many, captivating audiences with their poetic praise of the Prophet Muhammad. It's truly remarkable how knots continue to resonate with people across generations, showcasing the enduring love and devotion towards the Prophet. Now, let's address the challenge many face in composing a knot in 2024. With the evolving landscape of art and culture, it can be daunting to create a piece that honors tradition while also connecting with modern audiences. Finding that delicate balance is key to crafting a knot that speaks to hearts today. As we delve deeper into the essence of knots, we discover the core elements that make them so profound. From the profound love for Prophet Muhammad to the intricate poetic rules and emotional depth, each aspect plays a crucial role in capturing the essence of this art form. But here's the key moment: in 2024, it's essential to infuse contemporary themes, languages, and musical styles into knots. By blending tradition with innovation, we can create knots that resonate with today's audience, making them both relevant and impactful. In conclusion, writing a knot in 2024 requires a blend of creativity, authenticity, and heartfelt devotion. These elements are the soul of a knot, breathing life into words that honor the Prophet and inspire hearts. Now, I encourage you all to share your own knot compositions, thoughts on modernizing knots, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on poetry and Islamic art. Let's keep the beauty of knots alive and thriving in 2024 and beyond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Please like,